Good night. I am Johan Mauricio Espina. I am a student of the University of NAT. My group is 921 2X2. I have had it a great excellent when I jumped off parachute 4 years ago. I was in a Flanders located in the department of Tologne. I was with my family and 3 friends. It was a very nice experience because I shared for good time with my family. This experience was inspired by my scenery, mountains, and adrenaline feeling that moment. I had bungee, but a parachute is better. The experience will feel very free and calm. It's an experience which I would like to repeat. Thank you much. Bye.